I just realized that a lot of people don't know how to go about this docs airdrop, especially the newbies who just entered into crypto space just to make money in the aspect of airdrop, and it's advisable anyhow anyways. Yesterday some people actually reached out to me telling me that they are unable to access the bot. Anytime they try to log into the bot, it keeps asking them, who are you? Definitely it needs to ask you, who are you? Imagine going to someone's house and you don't have a name. How is that even possible? Definitely you need to have a name. The first thing they will ask you if you are going to someone's house is, what is your name? So that is the same thing the bot is doing. So you just need to bear with it. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to show you what to do in order to access the bot. Okay, so I'm not going to take much of your time as well. So without wasting time, you before I show you what you need to do, in this channel I talk about cryptos, anything that has to do with cryptocurrency, and how to make money from crypto. Okay, so what I need you to do for me is please just like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you keep me going. Okay, so without wasting time, let's dive into the tutorial. Okay, what you need to do is you come here on your Telegram, you click on these three dashes at the left corner of your screen. You just tap on it. It's going to take you to this interface. Once you are here, what you need to do is to click on profile. You click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you can see my username down here and result. If you want to set a username, what you just need to do is to click on setting here, click on username. If I should click here, let me just click. If I should click here, I have a username already. Either if I want to change it, I will also change it, but I don't want to change it now. Just click where I'm showing you. You insert your username and that's all. Once you are done, you click on the tick like this. Once you click on the tick, everything is okay. Everything is definitely going to work for you. Just after then, go back and log into the bot, or go back and log into the bot, and it's going to open and you are going to receive some airdrops. Okay, depending on how many years you have been on Telegram. Okay, and if you are here, or if you are hearing about this airdrop for the first time, it's actually going live on k.io, Bigget and Lbank. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link in the video description, so you just go and click there and register. Okay, you don't need to tap, you don't need to farm. What you need to do is just to register, and airdrops some amount of airdrops will be allocated to you based on the years you have been on Telegram. Okay, that's simple about it. Okay, there's no two ways about it. So I just actually appreciate this. Okay, please, if you are here new, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do wait to subscribe, share this video as well. Also like it, and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be receiving updates like this. Thank you.